Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix MetaTrader 5 authorization failed. First, go to your phone settings, search for iPhone storage, and open it. Scroll down and find MetaTrader 5. Tap it, then choose Offload App. After that, tap Reinstall App. Once it's done, open MetaTrader 5 again. Inside the app, go to Settings, then New Account. Select your broker and make sure you manually type your login number and password. Double check for mistakes, especially numbers, capital letters, and special characters. After entering the correct details, your account should log in without the authorization error. And that's it. That's how to fix MetaTrader 5 authorization failed. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.